So we have a 2020 Mercedes-Benz S560 in metallic white. New client who lives down here part-time. Wanted to get this car. I mean, I think he just recently bought it. The car is far from new or looking new, but it's still in very good condition, and he wanted it ceramic coated. So upon first inspection, I told him, the car was quite swirled, which he wasn't even aware of, but explained to him that a paint correction would have to be done, then the ceramic coating, and then he also wanted to have the wheels and calipers done. And his last request was a thorough interior cleaning, because the interior was quite dirty. Now this was a perfect example, or is a perfect example of a client who was not aware at all of what the true condition of his paint was. I had to show him the swirls, and he still really couldn't see them. That doesn't mean we're going to skip over that. We may not do a concourse type of correction, but I will not have a car leave here in subpar standards, because that just, every car that leaves here represents our work. So it's still far from perfect. It definitely was not a correction to remove every single imperfection. That wouldn't make sense on a car that's a daily driver and it's only driven a few times a year. But it still has to be done the correct way. Like I said, he asked for a thorough cleaning. The interior was very, very dirty. There is a spot here that's worn down. The steering wheel is worn down here. Nothing we can do about that. I mean, of course, it would have to be re-dyed, but he didn't ask for that. He just asked for a good cleaning. This door panel was in really bad condition. You see some wear over here as well. But overall, the interior got thoroughly cleaned. Like I said, the paint correction was done. Ceramic coating on the wheels and calipers. And of course, the convertible top gets coated as well. And then we also always do the windshield as far as the coating goes. I think it would have been a good idea for him to do some window tinting, but I think this is a gentleman, he told me that he enjoys convertibles, so I think this is a type of client who probably mostly drives with the top down, I would think. So not the type of person necessarily looking for window tint. But if so, he can always come back and have that taken care of. But yeah, when the car came in, it definitely did not have this gloss to the paint. It was looking good, but I pointed out to him how the depth and gloss is absolutely lacking. And that's what the paint correction, I should say, brings out first before the coating goes on. So the car is getting picked up today. Hopefully he'll be happy with the results, and hoping that we have another satisfied client who will be referring us to others.